Good day, everyone. This is Vincent Tan speaking. Regarding the coming change to A2L refrigerant, Toso has selected R32. This time, I'm going to talk about R32 features and safety instructions. Meanwhile, I also provide the English subtitle. Don't forget to turn it on if you need. You can also click the link below to access the training material. This sharing divides into these four parts. Discrepancy on units. Chapter we focus on how we have improved from R14A to R32. This time I just compare the pull-up and on the SEER2 and heating performance. So you can find that for the same capacity, which is 12K and 24K, is roughly we improve the performance by 5%. As for the charging amount, which we can just compare the pre-charge amount, and either the 12K and 24K, we can have a 30% smaller charge amount. For this part, we can improve the performance and with lower refrigerant. Because R32 is flammable, so on the units, we also put some notice on that, including from the package box, we have this smaller flammable icon. And also on the nameplate, and we have a special warning also indicate it is A2L. Besides, at the menu, we also put this icon to emphasize this refrigerant is flammable. Besides, we also have special design for electric box. For example, the wire passing hole, they are folded just in case to prevent the scratching of the wire. And all the electric box parts, they are anti-fire design. Besides, all the metal part is covering the PCB are used for EMI shielding. Most important is there is a A2L leakage sensor inside the unit. We put it at the coil. Here is for the Unix, and this is for the mini split. At the indoor unit circuit diagram, you can easily find this refrigerant sensor, and here is how it works. For example, in this 1-to-1 mini split system, we put it around here. Once it detects the leakage, it will stop the system, which is to stop the compressor immediately. Meanwhile, we will make the indoor fan to beat super high fan speed to circulate the indoor room air. Besides, we will also make the indoor unit keep boost. This is to inform the end user there is a leakage. For this sharing, if you still have any question or concern, feel free to contact me on my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access Toso library for the training material.